All right, fellow AMC stockholders, XMAX Trading here. Want to go over some amazing DD regarding Robinhood and AMC and GB, the meme stocks. Robinhood was forced to pay up somebody who lost money. This is pretty amazing. So let's get started. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button and comment, and let's get started. So 27-year-old truck driver just became Robinhood's first big headache of 2022. Is this simple FINRA arbitration award of $30,000 brick through the wall of Robinhood's legal citadel? Ooh, that's a play on words. Robinhood's legal citadel, Citadel Securities. Less than a week into the new year, a 27-year-old truck driver from Connecticut may have been given Robinhood a whole new thing to be worried about in 2022. Yeah, Robinhood, suck it. On January 6th, the arbiter of FINRA ruled that the zero-commission trading platform was liable for about $29,000 in compensatory damages to Jose Batista, a retail investor who filed a complaint with the industry sub-regulator in May, alleging he had been suffered significant losses due to Robinhood's decision to restrict trading on certain meme stocks at the height of 2021's manic short squeeze. Jose Batista, that sounds like a Cuban dictator. The judgment is the first of its kind to end with Robinhood paying money to a retail investor stemming from its trading restrictions, and can provide a blueprint for other individual traders hoping to get relief from Robinhood. For starters, Batista's case against the $13 billion online broker was narrow and specific, choosing to focus on restrictions impacted his shares in the headphone maker Koss and fashion brand Express, as opposed to his whole portfolio. So he was targeted, he was focused, he tried to make the best legal case. I remember that day. It was life-changing for me, recounted Batista in an interview with MarketWatch. I was just day trading, trying to catch momentum. Batista also said he was trading in big meme names like GameStop at the time, but he had no intention of selling those, even though he became willing to offload the shares that he viewed might have peaked. My plan was to sell Koss and Express that day. I had a lot, but no one could buy it. Oh, that's a good point. You could try to sell something, but if no one's willing to buy it, if nobody can buy it, then what the hell happens? On January 27th, the day before Robinhood and an online brokers imposed trading restrictions, Koss was closed at 58 a share and Express closed at 9.55 a share. Batista, who only had access to a Robinhood account at the time, grew increasingly desperate to trade his shares in some frothy meme stocks, fully aware that investors most eager to buy them at the premium simply could not buy them. This basically left me with no other option, Batista said of Robinhood. They were saying, you're just stuck. If you want to sell it, sell it. On February 1st, the day Robinhood reopened trading on memes, Koss closed at $35 and Express at $5. It was tough to watch. Unlike 7 other retail investors who have taken their grievances to regular so far, FINRA agreed that Batista's experience was too rough to be totally fair. Too rough. Connecticut-based arbitrator John James McGovern Jr. wrote in his findings that Robinhood's two divisions, Robinhood Markets and Robinhood Financial, were jointly and severely liable for Batista's losses. For Batista's lawyer, Jorge Moreno, the cash award has larger significance, showing retail investors the correct way to take Robinhood to task. There's a lot of noise about conspiracy theories, Moreno explained, referring to the various civil suits that attempt to prove Robinhood colluded with its prime market maker Citadel to restrict trading and protect hedge funds shorting meme stocks. The Securities and Exchange Commission investigated such allegations and found them lacking proof. And then, in keeping with a narrow approach, Almerino and Batista did not engage in conspiracy theories about trading restrictions and stuck entirely to the details of Batista's case. Defenders showed here that they're willing to adjudicate on a case on its merits. This opens the doors for other investors to revisit that day in January and maybe take action. The idea that Batista's $30,000 could turn into something bigger, in a flurry of awards of damages that take a chunk of Robinhood's legal citadel, may be an exciting one for the Legion of Apes still fears about January 2021. But at least one expert is more measured view of the situation. There is no precedential value to this award. FINRA tends to go all over the places on these kind of arbitrations. Cautioned Francis Curran, securities litigation attorney at Goodman, Track and Allo Poisoner. Boy, that's a long name. Even so, Kieran did see how FINRA arbiter might be compelled by the specificity of Batista's claim, and that Robinhood, which FINRA had already fined multiple times, FINRA has fined Robinhood multiple times, including the record $70 million penalty in June 2021, hurt the kind of unsophisticated trader it was designed to attract, including that when it helped fuel and then pull the plug in the meme short squeeze. I think it's too soon to tell if it's first of a trend, but it's certainly got to catch Robinhood's attention, and that attention has already become scattered in recent months. Robinhood, which declined to comment on the story, has faced a plunging stock price since July IPO, increased competition, and persistent concerns the SEC may change the rules around payment for order flow in 2022, threatening a large part of its business model. One signal of how 2022 is shaping up might be a deeper look at Batista himself. While $30,000 might be a paltry on the Robinhood, it's real money to Batista, who said it will go a long way helping support his young family, in addition to his trucking income, while he also continues to invest in the market. I'm definitely going to continue to trade, said Batista, who maintains a vestigial Robinhood account, but mostly trades on the competing app Webull. These aren't meme stocks to me. I just watch the momentum and take 10 stocks and watch throughout the day. Speaking of memes, like the markets, GameStop and AMC have bounced back from huge drops in early trading with very different results. AMC managed to undo a morning drop to close at 0.9% on Monday. GameStop reversed. It was the same story. It was the same story for most of the memes except for the MAGA meme crowd. Trump SPAC climbed 3.6%, riding a huge afternoon bounce and the unique investment thesis of its backers. January 10th. Pretty interesting, guys. This guy's able to find a good legal way, good legal strategy to, get back his losses, and you could have made a lot of money, but, to take away the buy button and nobody can buy it, who wants to buy it, I mean, that's corruption, It's not my fault they illegally shorted the hell out of these things. We just took advantage of it, like any hedge fund would, so... Anyway, guys, leave a comment, subscribe below, hit the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Later.